Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the GoHighLevel Communities feature. This powerful new tool allows you to create branded community spaces where your members can connect, engage, and access content all in one centralized hub. Let's dive in and get your first community set up. First, head over to the GoHighLevel login page and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to make sure you're working within the correct sub-account, especially if you manage multiple clients or businesses. Use the account selector at the top of your screen or in the left navigation panel to switch to the appropriate sub-account. Now look at the left navigation menu and find the option labeled Memberships. Click on it to open the Memberships section. At the top of this page, you'll see a menu item called Communities with a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that drop-down and select Groups. This is where all your community management happens. On the Community Groups page, you'll see a button that says Create a Community. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your group details. Here, you'll fill in your group name, group URL, and description. These fields are essential because they define how your community appears to members. You'll also notice a Discovery toggle button, which becomes available once you have more than 10 members in your group. This feature helps with visibility and growth. Next, scroll down to the branding section. This is where you can really make your community feel like your own. You can upload a favicon, a cover image, and a logo to match your brand identity. Take your time customizing these elements because they create the first impression for your members. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Create Group. After creating your group, you'll be directed to your group portal. Here, you'll need to set a password for administrative access. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long to meet the security requirements. Now you're in the group dashboard, which is your central control panel. From here, you can manage and customize every aspect of your community. You can add courses through the Learning tab, schedule events from the Events tab, or customize your group's About page to provide important information to your members. Finally, let's create your first channel. On the bottom left, click the button labeled Add Channel, enter your channel's name and description, then upload a channel icon if you'd like. You'll also see 2 toggle options below, one to make the channel read-only and another to make it private. These settings give you control over how members interact within specific channels. Once you've configured everything, click Create Channel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.